The What's Neat This Week in Model Railroading Show is made possible by viewers like you and is proudly supported by Model Railroader Magazine, helping enthusiasts become better modelers for more than 90 years. To learn more, visit trains.com. Additional support is provided by Spring Creek Model Trains, your destination for model trains. Stop in and say, wow! Check out their website at springcreekmodeltrains.com. Microengineering, keeping you on track with quality products for 55 years. Check out their website at www.microengineering.com. Intermountain Railway Company, where the detail makes the difference. Check out their website at intermountain-railway.com. Additional support is provided by Yelsma Graphics, America's leading distributor of quality railroad art and embroidered clothing since 1985. Check out their website at yelsma.com. Further support is provided by the NCE Corporation, the power of DCC. Visit their website at ncedcc.com. And thank you for supporting the What's Neat This Week podcast. This is What's Neat This Week in Model Railroading, show number 339 for February 2nd, 2026. I'm your host, Ken Patterson, the host of that What's Neat show over at Model Railroad Hobbyist Magazine, where we get our hands dirty and we build stuff. We build model railroad scenery and bench work and just all sorts of different products that we cover on that show. It's amazing the subject matter on that show. So I'm doing it all by myself today, because between the construction down here, and there has been a lot going on to get this studio rebuilt in a better condition than it was before after the fire, and also with the inclement weather that we've had. I mean, 12 inches of snow in St. Louis, that's okay, but just the whole country pretty much from the midsection to the east, and we're in that area, got absolutely hammered by snow. So it's been super hard to get the guys together and just kind of do a coherent presentation. But I've got so many models now that are starting to stack up here in the studio that I thought it would be incumbent upon me to sit down and cover some of these amazing models. In fact, I'm doing a photo shoot outside right now. I want to show you the box that this Broadway Limited 5-car Pennsylvania passenger car set comes in. They made 3 variations of this, and I just bought this set to replace the set that I had lost in the studio fire that occurred down here on December 13th. Also, and I want to show you a lot of different models right now, starting with Bachmann Industries. They have come out with the cab car for the Via Rail Canada consist of cars. And I received this model a few weeks back and I shot it outside. What a beautiful representation of the rear end of this Canadian passenger car. This thing's got DCC, full lighting, and sound in it. And it goes with the Via Rail Canada set that Bachmann Industries offered about 15 months ago, I want to say that it was. So you can see I've got here on the shelf the Siemens Charger locomotive that goes with the Via Rail set, and then also the cab car. And I anticipate seeing more cab cars on more Amtrak consists in the United States. Also from Bachmann Industries, this is kind of neat. I shot these cars outside too. These are the brand new Colorado rail car, the Ultra Domes. I've got the McKinley Explorer set here, and they've got the markings on it for Holland America. And I looked these up on YouTube, and I found absolutely amazing that these things are they've got a very interesting rear end on them. And they're full-length domes, and they match the prototype exactly. These have got full lighting in them, and this is the kind of consist where they would pull up the cruise ship, offload onto the train, and then you would find yourself cruising in the mountains and seeing some of the most beautiful scenery that you could imagine from the beautiful dome cars that these cars are. So a really neat consist of cars from Bachmann Industries. Also, I've got a set of, I want to say weighing in at 2 pounds, I've got these beautiful SD70 Ace locomotives. I know we talked about these in March, I think last year, and we showed these engines pulling a train all the way around the layout room down here. I shot outdoor photos of both of these, the Kansas City Southern number 4149, and of course the Union Pacific 1111, powered by the people. Just an absolutely beautiful. These things come with full Paragon 4 sound and all the lighting effects that you want to expect. Also, I've got something neat here that I also shot outside this week, or maybe that was last week, are these beautiful F3s. These are from Broadway Limited Imports. I've got 2 sets here. They come as an AB set, number 5521. AB set, the B unit is a dummy. The A unit's got sound, Paragon 4 sound. And then I've also got a single A unit here, number 5524. This A unit set up with the other units is perfect for pulling the old Broadway Limited California Zephyr cars. Those cars, when they came out about 20 years ago, were just absolutely exquisite, and this set of locomotives would be perfect for pulling those. Now, I've got some models down here. I've got the Turbine, this beautiful Turbine locomotive that I shot a long time ago for scaled trains when Shane Wilson first came out with this model. And I've also got my Athearn U50s down here on the shelf. You've seen these in the background of the podcast all the time because I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I loved how Union Pacific pushed the limits and created some amazing looking machines. But I seen recently this week, in fact, I got a Facebook notice that ScaledTrains.com is coming out with the U50C, which is the same locomotive that I'm showing you with that I've shot outside for Athearn, except for this model, or this prototype, has got the 6-axle trucks on it. So what a neat exotic model. Hats off to ScaledTrains.com on that one. I am gonna have to probably break down and pick up a set of those. Now I want to share with you some more stuff. We're gonna go outside for this because I have got an ongoing photo shoot right now, so I can create the photos for this video. And it's a balmy 29 degrees and absolutely beautiful out here for today's photo shoot. Now I've got some neat models out here. These are also from Broadway Limited. First, I'm going to start out with the Union Pacific Power Car, number 2066. This thing's got some extraordinary detail. It comes with full sound in it, and I have not even powered it up in the layout yet because the layout's not running right now. But I do want to get a section of the layout powered up so I can photograph these, because the next cars I show you have got amazing lighting on them. But check out the power car. This would go in your big boy consist, the Union Pacific excursion trains. It's really kind of a neat, very unique model. Now check this out. These are track inspection cars. I've got the Union Pacific Fox River here, and hopefully I'm showing you outdoor photos of this and not the video. But these cars also come with an array of lighting set up on your DCC track. So yeah, pretty neat. Look at the antennas on the UP car. Full interior on these things, all the underbody detail. Really neat. I've also got the Chicago Northwestern track inspection car. I mean, words. I don't have words for this. Just an absolutely another. Broadway Limited has really been hitting some home runs with regards to some of the passenger cars that we've seen them coming out with in the last, 2 years, 3 years? Absolutely amazing stuff. So another thing I want to say is that Denny Yelsma sent me a lot of photographs from this show, the big show on the East Coast. I think that was Springfield. The show was a good show, and there was a lot of happy people there as I'm showing you these pictures from Denny. Thank you, Denny, always for everything that you've done for us on this show, helping us produce this show for the best hobby in the world. But yeah, great show in Springfield. The first day was just gangbusters. The second day, I think they got hit with their 18 inches of snow. So with that, we're going to continue getting back on schedule with regards to production. There's a lot of work to do. In fact, I am going to build my entire layout over again. That's the consensus that I have come to to completely eliminate foam from my building material of building HO scale layouts. I think that's something that I want to do. And old school benchwork works. So I look forward to seeing how this new layout all the way around is going to turn out down here. So this is going to be a short show today. I just wanted to cover a lot of products. A lot of things have been happening here, except for shooting shows. We have this studio back up and running now. We've got changing the way we do sound, changing a few things for setup, changing the aesthetics of things down here. I think this will be completed in less than about 8 weeks. But we will continue producing shows like this and keeping you updated on what's new in this, the best hobby in the world. So with that, I want to say I wish it was at your house on your layout, because then we could go run some trains. And so with that, that ends number 339 here for February 2nd, 2026. Thank you for watching.